Welcome back to Rachel Raceway. Tonight we have another episode of Wednesday Night Cockfights, and the guys are riding around. With you know what hanging out.
Dick, if you mean penis, I do. Oh, I really do.
Well, thanks for tuning in on this beautiful evening. With me tonight, please welcome my smoking hot co-host Karen, the bitch next door. And I am your host, Dick Gozinya.
Dick, is the entire state of Canada on fire right now?
That would be the entire country of Canada, Karen. It's smokier than a speakeasy in Detroit. My goodness. I feel as if I just aqua-lunged some Kush mints.
I guess that I picked the wrong week to stop taking Adderall.
It's never too late to quit quitting, which is what Costly does best. First up is Costly, Adam, Karate, Gary, and a bird's eye view in car camp.
Oh my, did you see that rooster tail? No pun intended?
Stay away from that cock unless you want the gift. That keeps giving. It's go time. Let's go racing. Oh wow, let's replay that again in slow-mo.
That is a mistake that will haunt Adam for the rest of his life.
Yes, indeed. Life doesn't get better for everyone after high school.
That was like a rhinoceros tranquilizer dart to the public face.
It appears Karate has taken the lead, with Gary the Bean Bag Champ in second.
Well, that didn't last long.
Bet, this is Costly. You got a copy? Over.
I got you loud and clear, Costly. Did you just shit yourself again?
Technically no kama. Most of the moist mete was retained within my exceptionally deep ass crack.
Speaking of ass cracks, Bird just went up Adam's rear end like Dr. Proctor with sausage fingers.
Good job, Bird. Nothing like screwing up the photo finish.
That's worse than ruining a wet dream. Adam is coming in hot and upside down ass over elbows for third. Costly just blew out Bird and painted him like the outhouse hole at work and knocks him down to 5th place.
Hey Dick, this is Costly over.
Hey Costly, we got you loud and clear.
Guess what, Dick? Over.
Costly, you better not say anything about my mom.
Relax, Dick. Your mom was helping me build a new jump in 1017.
Oh yes, she likes the new jumps. Thanks, Costly.
We built a new jump and then he fucked your mom next to it.
Go fuck yourself? Over. Karen, either we negotiate a new contract next year, or I am out of here faster than a toupee in a hurricane.
Let's discuss this later and enjoy the rest of the show.
Bird, where in the hell are you going? No wonder Stretching Gretchen is handing out felonies for distracted driving. Thanks for nothing. See you all next week. Over and out.